Oh yes, there's Zoom. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright. So. That's the computer name. The name of the computer goes there. And then if we go back, hit the back button. That. Click it. Did I click it? Yes, I clicked it. I clicked it. And so. I tell you lots of things. But yes, this is messaging. Local only. Hit next. It auto-populated. The computer name goes there. Obviously. And then that's it. It's done. You set up the postfix. The email. And so the system, they script kiddies that were scribed and coded, encoded with a coding that, yeah, they got all the higher language, programming language, higher programming language. Ooh, is that them? Well, no, I guess they're not here yet. I am rather surprised that they're not here yet. Thought they would be punctual, but, huh? Still working. But yes, that's the postfix and local. So it sends you emails. And they are very helpful in shared when they're shared. And you can see them when you COVID them. COVID them. The Corona. How many batteries have I affected in cause those. Anyway, grandma's blessings. Happy Family Wednesday. Hope to see you later. Later.